It's your boy Noel here. How are you all? I took a trade on NQ October 13, 2025. That's this date. London session trading. And that was price giving me my target right there. Yeah, right there. So let me go over to the breakdown of this trade, how I took this trade, how it all started up, what I was looking for, the confluences I wanted to see pan out before taking the trade. And that's it right there. After the London session opened, the first thing Pride did was to read the midnight buy side with the London open and broke down aggressively. As you can see, that dropped down. And after that, price began displacing to the upside. So already I was beginning to look at this as a bullish expectation. I was looking for a fake buy breakout, that is a run against buy side before that drop, but price just dropped. It left smooth high, so it wasn't clear to me. So I took this drop down as a run against those who chased that long entry. Immediately they saw candles pumping up, they chased it. Those traders, this is a run against them, to scare them to think that maybe price is going back to the downside. So I pointed out that my bowling the upper half of the inefficiency to serve as support to the upside. I pointed it out beforehand and I was saying, look at that movement to the upside. Price reacted to the high of that inner inefficiency, that IFVG. And this is not a clear obvious fake buy breakout, which is why I'm not taking it. I pointed out I'm not taking the trade yet because that fake buy breakout is not really all that clear to me. I need to see something clear before I can just jump in and take an entry. I won't just jump in and take an entry when all my confluences are not clear. So that's why I waited here, but I'm annotating that I saw the buy entry beforehand. I saw it, but not taking it because it's not enough for me. I need something stronger. I need something more. So I had to wait and not rush in to take a buy entry, just to wait for more intel from price before I take any buy entry. So this is me just observing what price is doing with the expectation of it going higher. I pointed out my partial off at that high. My partial off is at the high. If you look up the line I dropped above there, that's where my partial off here, I pointed it out. So I noticed this discount sensitivity to the high of that inefficiency, using it as support to the upside. I pointed that out, just like I want to see. Exactly, that's just what I wanted to see. The upper half being used as support to the upside and lower half being left open. That's exactly what happened. So looking at this as another fake buy breakout, a run against it, swing low below provides me a long entry. If not, I'll just watch it reach for my partial target and my main target. Which one is our main target is what I meant there for the London. It's a win-win. So I'm pointing out that if price just goes without me to my full target, which is that target 1, it's fine, no problem if it goes there without me. It's a win-win for me. I don't have to make money to have fun. I don't necessarily have to make money from me to have fun. That's what I'm pointing out there. I don't have to partake in the trade to have fun. Just being there alone, pointing out my target and watching price reach for my target is enough for me. That is always enough for me. Trading nowadays is getting too easy. It's fun. This trade is over an hour long. This is just me compressing it to I think about 13 minutes or so. But the trade is over an hour long. So I waited. I was looking at this as a fake buy breakout, so I waited. Price was currently at the consequent encroachment of the daily wick level. So these are levels that I'm looking at, levels of this quadrant. I'm always looking at sensitivity there. Now price shoots above it. What is everyone looking at there? Say, oh, it's buying, it's buying, it's buying. They will rush to enter. I'm looking to cannibalize on these people. Look at that move upward. Say, oh, buy breakout. And all these traders, they buy on the breakout, but I look to go against their stop. Where do they place their stop? On the low, on the swing lows. They trail, those who went long early, they will trail their stop loss to that swing low. That swing low is where I'm looking to buy. And you're going to see price run back down against it. This is me checking how much profit potential I have from where I pointed out the entry. So I didn't just rush and buy there. That, oh, it's going to my target. Oh, I see many traders. What am I saying? I used to be scared of this thing. When I see price displacing, it affects me emotionally. I'm surprised I'm doing the exact opposite of that. So, oh, the market is going, it's going. Ah, it's too close to my target. That hit my partial. No, oh no. I have to enter. And then you enter, and next thing, bam, it runs against your stop loss. You start seeing your village people are following you. I'm looking to cannibalize on your village people are following you. That's what I'm looking for. I want your village people to follow you, and that's where I'll enter. So now, as I pointed out, fake buy breakout, because everyone rushed in to buy that thing for sure. But me, I'm looking to go against them. You get? I'm looking at the market to drop lower, and that's where I'm going to enter, where their stop loss is, which is right at that low that I mentioned, that swing low, nearest swing low. This is me dragging the implied dealing range and checking and seeing that price is currently at the consequent encroachment. So a good place to buy. A very good place to buy. I pointed it out, buy here. And if you go to the YouTube shorts, you will see it also. You see, I posted the video. I pasted up the video, the London session trade, because I took the trade on my phone. I didn't take the trade on my computer. I bought right there on my phone. So just go to the YouTube shorts on this channel, October 13. I labeled it, and you will see the video. See YouTube shorts. I don't even know if it's YouTube shorts. I don't know. But it's on this. Pasted something on this channel. I don't know how to use YouTube. I think I'm going to have to learn these things. So I think this is where I started screen recording on my phone, right there. So I'm looking at the consequent encroachment, expecting displacement, and before I even wrote it finished, that was what happened. To confirm discount sensitivity, that was what happened. Showing me that my entry is good, my entry is valid. This is where I want to be entering. Very good. Is me checking how much profit potential I have to my target. That's just me checking. Being a forex trader it's a blessing. It's a lovely business. So I marked out that long week on the 15 minutes for taking partial, because that might serve as a rejection block and price might decide to start reversing or turning from there. So that's a good place to take partial there, which is where I think I cut down the position on my live account. I cut down the position right there. Because I can't take partial, it's just one position. Over time, when the account is up over $5, when I can take two positions at once, then I can be cutting down partial and leaving the rest to run to my full profit target. But I think at this point I'd rolled my stop loss to break even in case it goes against me. Very important. right there. Right there. That's it, giving it my partial. So I pointed it out, second partial, squeezed out. Now I watch to see if it reaches for my full profit target for the London. That's my profit target for the London. I think is that okay. That's target one for the London. It was all day bank holiday on the news and medium impact news 2 a.m. at London session 2 o'clock. And my guess was the 2 a.m. medium impact news is what brought out small volatility during this London session. Because normally during London session the volatility is not usually there at all. Usually very, very, very. But this London session had a little volatility, not as much as New York, but as seen, there were clean movements. So I pointed out that I'm already content with this for the London session, and it's okay if it doesn't give me my target. It's okay if it doesn't. I ain't gonna kill myself. This is more than enough. It's already close to my profit target. This is the part where I can begin to cut down 90% of the trade. It doesn't have to, I don't have to take profit at my full target, especially considering I'm a newbie. And right there, that's where he gave it to me. That's where he gave it to me. So, yep, that's it. That's it right there. So that's all. That's all the breakdown trade for the London session. And then price began consolidating at that my target one. Yeah, so with this I am done and content for the London session. That's how you take a beautiful trade. Oh, and this is me pointing out that one good setup each week is enough. I'm taking more trades, but just one trade each week I've achieved my my target for the week. It doesn't necessarily have to be profitable or not, just a good setup. That is what I am looking at. So yeah, that's all. So you all should do well to have a nice day. Like ICT will say, good luck, good trading, good study, good backtesting, good all of them.